Hi everybody, good morning. I'm doing now the next easy one for OpTinselTrace number 4. This is a pair bot printer. Let's do some, I was doing now the other one before, just now. Let me go back to my main directory. Remember the last one? Uh, we got the file that was sent is center deliveries. So let's be clear on that. And then this second room, after you downloading the file number 4, you get a pick and png file from Wireshark. So let's start it. So basically this is the file from our Wireshark. If you start, the question is, remember this is like the connected stories. No, let me confuse. I'm confusing with the OpTinselTrace number 2. Yes, I'm confused. Sorry guys. This is the printer one. So I don't need this. So the question, they already tell us the IP of the printer, and then the question is, the performance of the network printer server becomes sluggish, causing interruption in the workflow of the North Pole Workshop. Center has directed us to generate support requests and examine the network data, pinpoint the source of the issue. He suspects that the Grinch and his group may be involved in this situation. Could you verify if there is an IP address that is sending an excessive amount of the server? They make it easier for us. They give us printer here, so okay, anything when you start any things, for example, you can start the protocol hierarchy to know exactly what's going on. You can see, for example, is an IPv4. There's nothing special. TCP protocol also is how many? There's a lot of in TCP. This the data you can see is there. What's the printing protocol again? Okay, let's keep this for mind. Then if you go start it is in a conversation. In IPv4 you can see all the IPs are communicating. Remember they give us the printer IP 192.168. If I follow the printer, where is that printer? You can see this IP is all over the place. This IP is communicating communicating on the printer too, with 59,000 kilobytes. This IP also, it has a lot of data involved. Yeah, but there is you can see this IP is it's very interesting IP because it's all over the place. But let's follow because it's an easy room. Let's not complicate the process. We already have the IP address. So if I go to there, IP address, the 28. This is the printer IP, and let's see what we have there. This is the printer IP. If you look for the printer IP, of course we go to statistic and go conversation. We have only one IP head communicating. So there's only one IP that communicating with the printer. When we go the IP of the printer as given to us, sorry guys, this is the printer IP. If we see now there's only one IP conversating with that is 172.17.79. What is the answer of the first? So that's the third actor. There's only one person in this log that communicating with this IP. The next question is said phone trace of port scanning from the IP. If you do the printer, the port will be easy. This is printer IP. So which port was then? Okay, if we go to our there, if we go to there, you can see the communication here. This is the printer. If we look at the communication, it's an echo. Let's avoid these echo things and broken packet. Let's go back down where this is drop down. That's the packet start moving on here. You see the communication now is running in 9100, all of them. 9.1, and if you can go to statistic and you say conversation, IPv4 one with the doesn't show the port. I thought conversation. Where is the port? Statistic endpoint. Packet. I think I'm trying to complicate things for no reason. Conversation packet protocol hierarchy. The protocol, of course, is data transmission. So you know. Why is not showing me the conversation? It's two IPs, IPv4, IP address, bytes, port A, port B. Where this port coming from? This is the port all the communication are coming through. This is just a few protocols only. The most communication is in this one. Total packet, and then the bytes, so all the communication, the last ones. So all the last ones and the 911. So we can see it from here. It's all 9. They're communicating in this port 9100. So we can know it's 9100. Next one is, what is the full name of the printer? This is straightforward room. So let's do this. You know, I'm interested in the data. If I go these two statistics, not conversation, static protocol hierarchy, I'm interested in the data. I'm not using the other communication. I can just set as to and selected. So now, okay, we have the data now. You can see here. So we just select any one of them and just follow TCP stream. If you follow no TCP stream, tell you that the printer, okay, North Pole HP laser jet. So we just give you straight the answer, the first one for N. Then a Grinch intercepts a list of nice and naughty children. So let's follow the read. This is the printer sending document. The folder Christmas. You going inside the 2023. This is nice kids. What's the list is talking? Naughty children. So this is the nice kids first. List for the nice kids. This is the list for the nice kids. Where is the naughty one? The naughty one is here. Naughty this. So this is the naughty. So the second one is Nicole Davis. Oh, the nice list. The nice list is this. Douglas Price. So Douglas Price is the nice one in the second list. So we have this. Let's follow this. What happened after? Now there. Save device. This is a printer protocol. Save job, keep job. In progress, layoff notice. Okay, let's not close this. We need it. Is another print Douglas. Now the question is, the Grinch obtained a print job instruction file intended for the printer used by employee named Elfan. It appears that Santa and the North Pole management team have made the decision to dismiss Elfan. Could you please provide word for word rationale behind the decision of terminating? So you can see layoff notice. If we follow down, layoff notice. That's the printing document. You can see a warning. The print is only meant for Elfan and higher management. Reason for layoff: the addressed employee is confirmed to be working with the Grinch and the team. So this is the full one. So according to the clause 69, this call for immediate expulsion. So this is the reason. So you can have that. So we don't need to. Most of the answer you get in this. So we have that. Then what was the name of the schedule print job? Let's see if we can have it here, or is it just another intercept? So this is the first intercept is fine. So I think we can follow the next round of schedule job. You can see this. Let's lock this off. Let me go back to the printer one. This is the IP for the printer. You know what? Let's interpret the other one. Let's get the Grinch, because he's the one that IP address for this guy. Remember, we have his IP now. So this IP, if we look for statistic and conversation, is talking. This is his IP. He's talking with this IP, with this, and the printer. So I just want to get the conversation of these two only. It's fine. But why is talking again? Let's see. Statistic conversation. He's talking about who? IPv4. So the couple of IPs here. This is the print IP, but he's talking also with these two. Why is talking to them? Let's see. I didn't check this before. Okay, we're not losing anything. Let's try to see what is talking about this IP. Let's say apply filter A to B. Who is this? What is doing this Grinch? Is a TLS to this 34. So TLS, we can't decrypt it. So what the hell is doing? What protocol is this? Acknowledge client hello. Change cipher specs. Follow TCP stream. I can't decrypt it. Okay, this one is not interested for us. How about this one? There's not too many packets, but let's play around. A to B. Let's see what it's doing. It's an NTP. Why the Grinch is doing NTP? I think it's the way that hack printer. This one is not too much. Then you have this IP2. It's a TLS. I don't know what he's doing, but our interest is always in this one. So this is the conversation we're looking for. If I go to statistic protocol hierarchy, I need the data. So this is the data I'm interested of. Remember, before there was two streams. I think the first round is the one that get the naughty list or something. Then the print job will interpret later on. So let's get one of the last ones. Let's follow this. Follow TCP stream. Save a job. We're looking for question what? Schedule print job. Schedule. Let's say schedule. What the hell? Oh, this is the one we got. This is SS keys. Or schedule SC. Schedule job. Schedule job typed delimiter. Find schedule. This is the one that is schedule, but what's the name of the job? Schedule announcement, schedule job type echo delimiter, schedule job. announcement PS. Job name. Echo delimiter. Merry Christmas bonus announcement. This is the shadow job, yeah. Postscript shadow job. Yeah, this is the one. Shadow job, Christmas and bonus announcement. Yeah, this is the one. Let me confirm where he was doing the shadow. It's a shadow job, postscript. Yeah, shadow job, and then he give us the name later on here. Okay, so we got that. And then he said, amid this, our ongoing analysis of the current packet captured the situation as escalated. SSH no access has raised a serious concern with the security team. So we're looking for an SSH stuff. We saw it already here. Okay, he's getting the SSH for system. This is the file. Administrator security keys SSH system ID. You can see it's there, and you can see in the email when it was printed say this is the backup key for Christmas.gift server. So they give us the name of the server because the next question gift to this is Christmas gifts. That's the server is talking about. But Spark recommend me this since in Christmas Day everything gets mixed, so we already have the answer for this. The size of the file, this file, the printer usually the size it give you here, you can see the size 1914. So we have 1914, and then when did the Grinch attempt to delete the file? Let's see if we have it already here. No, that's delimiter. Delete. No, delete is not part of this, so we need to search for it. Let's see, the IP of the Grinch is IP address 133. I think faster way is just find packet, delete. Okay, we have a delete somewhere in this packet. We do follow TCP stream. Where is the delete? Delete. Okay, delete is deleting it here. The packet, the first packet we got is this 12, 18, 14. Now he give us 12, 8, but we need to, what the hell? 12, 8, yeah, 12, 8, 14, 8 December 23. But remember this, in a default for Wireshark doesn't show you the date, so you need to go, you come to the time and you get property, column preference, and then you see normally here you have drop down, you select, usually it doesn't give you UCT. For me I change it to UCT date as YYDM, so you need to change the date here. A default Wireshark doesn't show you I think seconds, so it doesn't show you the whole date, so you need to come here, change the column to date to this UCT date. So my date now is UCT. So okay, so now you get all the answer. Yeah, this was a quick room, and yeah, this is OpTinselTrace number 4. Thank you everybody, hope you liked it. Please like, and thank you very much. Have a good day.